I do think they should stay shut. Yeah, there's 2 days of the year that pubs are closed, Christmas Day and Good Friday.
Well, I'm not a great drinker, but I think that if I did want to do it, I think that I should be able to go out Good Friday if I wanted to go out.
If anybody wants drink in this city, they can get it, and it's easily got. And I don't drink, haven't drank myself in years, and I drank on Good Friday from morning till night when I was drinking.
They should extend it and close it for a week. Wouldn't it be lovely for all the people that's drinking pubs to be able to spend time with their children?
I have a rugby connection myself. I won't go too hard on the rugby people, but they will find somewhere to drink.
Wouldn't it be lovely if everybody can go in? Just it's nothing to do with the publicans. They still have 51 weeks a year to earn a living.
It's the only country that doesn't really have it now. Like it's laws that was passed years ago. Like I think the times have moved on a bit. Like
people are going to drink anyway. You know, they're going to be coming out of the supermarkets. People that want to drink is going to drink. It wouldn't make much difference to me one way or the other.
I think the government put an end to house parties there when they stopped pubs selling takeaways at closing time. Because as I remember, that's the way it always used to be.
Yeah.
You go down, you're a student night or Wednesday night, and come closing time, you just grab a load of cans, go back to somebody's flat, trash the place, great fun.
I shouldn't be connected with religion. Definitely shouldn't. It should be a thing that everybody should want to do, stay over pub for a week. The reason why I say that is because I grew up with families I knew when their parents died from alcohol.
looking for drink because it's not available, sort of thing. I think it's a mental issue more so than anything else, being quite on it.
They just buy what they need on Thursday and then they just drink anyway. So it's supposed to sort of show some respect by not drinking or something. It obviously doesn't work.
Going out to supermarkets, young people, and getting pissed in an hour in their homes before they go out because it's cheaper.
I know, but
Desperate.
isn't it better for them to go out? It's not
better for them to go out.
It's not. I mean, the government should do something really about young people.
Yeah.
What you're saying, buying drink in supermarkets.
It's dreadful, yeah.
It's really horrible.
Yeah.
I mean,
Well, in their times growing up, you couldn't buy it in the
generation is going to be like what?
Well, you couldn't buy alcohol in the supermarket when we grew up.
Well, this is it.
Yeah, and it should be brought back.
It's in your face.
It's in your
as you
face,
walk in the door.
exactly.
So why
It's
would
like
they-
sweets
why
at
would
the
they
checkout
close the
counter
pubs
for kids.
But why would they close the pub on a Friday, a Good Friday?
No, what I'm saying, Josie, is I think it'd be lovely if they close the pub for a whole week. And it means, they might have a bit more time for their families at home.
Yeah, but if you owned the pub, you wouldn't be thinking like that.
It's a week's holiday.